So I just had a podcast interview with my friend Andy on the Fork in the Road podcast, and I got a chance to try out the new Harlowe 40 light, and it is Harlowe's version of a ring light. This was gifted from them in exchange for creating content, and I wanted to just take it through its paces. So I did an unboxing earlier, and being able to use it for the podcast was really great. I get a nice clean light. I can change the output with the remote that they have, which connects through Bluetooth as well. So if I turn it on, I can roll the dial and then change the output. I can decrease the light, increase the light, and then change the color temperature just from the touch of a button, which is really cool. They have two versions of it. They sent me the bicolor light, so two lights, warm and cool. But there's also one that has RGB. So really cool lighting technology from Harlowe as usual. There is also a variant which is 100 watts. So I look forward to being able to test this light out, and I might see if I can take it on shoots with me too, to just see how well it performs. Because I usually use my 40 watt light that's in my studio, my max unit, but it has more moving pieces to it, so to speak, and a battery. Whereas this is a compact ring light. It even comes with a cool briefcase. So really look forward to putting it through its paces, see what I can do with it. And this has just been a really great product. So shout out to Harlowe for gifting the light. Really appreciate it. And I look forward to having it be an integral piece to my workflow.